Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Goodreads to Amazon. All right, just go ahead and open up your favorite browser. It can be on your phone or computer. Now in here, just go ahead and type in goodreads.com. Once done, just hit on enter. Now, as you can see here, we have the continue with Amazon option. Just go ahead and click on it to sign in using your Amazon account. All right, as you can see here, it automatically gets my Amazon account as I was logged in to Amazon. All right, so I'm just going to hit on allow. Then I'm going to go ahead and continue creating my account right here with this email. And here I have my newly created account that is connected to Amazon. All right. Now let's say that you already have a Goodreads account and you wanted to connect it to Amazon. Well, all you have to do is just go ahead over to your profile right here at the top right. Just click on it and go ahead and click on account settings. And here, as you can see, we have these tabs. Just go ahead over to apps. Click on it. As you can see here we have the Amazon. All right. And as you might notice, instead of connect to Amazon, I have this disconnect to Amazon button. So if you have the connect to Amazon button, just go ahead and click on it and follow the simple prompts. And once done, your Goodreads account will be tied to Amazon as well. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.